Hello everyone. We have this question. A cyclist travels 20 miles at a speed of 15 miles per hour. If he returns along the same path and the entire trip takes 2 hours, at what speed did he return? So this is our question and options are given 15 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour, 22 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour and 32 miles per hour. So let's calculate this. First of all, we have to understand the question. In this question, it is said a cyclist goes in up trip and he returns back. So let's try to understand the question first, then we will solve it. A cyclist travels 20 miles at a speed of 15 miles per hour. So this is your up trip. So the cyclist travels 20 miles. This is distance, your distance, and this is your velocity, speed or rate, which is 15 miles per hour. So this is for up trip, and then if he returns along the same path and the entire trips take 2 hours. So if he returns along the same path means that the distance is same, that is 20 miles, and entire trips take 2 hours. It means that 2 hours is the entire time. That is the time for up trip and down trip equal to 2 hours. At what speed did he return? So we have to find out the this speed of down trip or returning trip. So it's very easy. Here d is given, distance is given, and velocity is given. We have to calculate time from here. So let's calculate its time. So its time formula t equal to d divided by r. This is basically velocity formula, which is equal to v equal to velocity or speed equal to distance over time. So we have sent time over here. So this is your distance and this is your velocity or speed, which is here represented by r. So distance is 20 miles and the velocity or speed is equal to 15 miles per hour. So it will give us 4 divided by 3, because if we divide both the numerator and denominator by 5, so it will give 4 divided by 3 hours. So the up trip time is 4 divided by 3, and now we have entire trip times, which is equal to 2 hours. Now if we subtract this up trip time from this entire time, then we will get the down trip time. So let's do it. So time for down trip equal to time of the entire trip minus time of the up trip. So entire trip time is equal to 2 and up trip time is equal to 4 divided by 3. So it will give us 2 divided by 3. So 2 divided by 3 hours is the time which is taken in the down trip. So it means that the time of the down trip is t equal to 2 divided by 3. Now we have time over here and we have d over here, that is distance over here. So we can easily calculate the r or the velocity from this formula. So let's calculate it. So r equal to, that is velocity equal to distance over time. So distance is 20 and time for down trip is 2 divided by 3. So we will calculate this. So 20 into, we will flip this because this is here in divide. So we will send back into multiply. When we send it into multiplication, we flip this value. So after flipping this value, it will give us 30. Why? Because 2 times 1 is and this will cancel with 10 times 2 equal to 20. So 10 over here and 10 multiplied by 3 equal to 30 miles per hour. So this is our answer. And now come back to our question. This was our question and these were options. So at what speed did he return? So now we have calculated the return speed of the cyclist, which is 30 miles per hour, and this is the right answer of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.